Hello children, I am Mrs. Masi and today we are going to study about purification of water from lesson 8 water. Before that, let's revise what we have learned in our previous video. We have learned about the water, that water is very important for all living things. Living thing means human beings, animals and plants. Without water, nobody, no living things can survive. Human being will die without water, plants also will die and animals also. So they need water. Water is very important for the living things. Then we have learned about the sources of water. We get water from many sources: rain, pond, river, well, hand pump, sea, canal, etc. But which is the main source of water, children? Rain is the main source of water. Then we have learned about the uses of water. How do we use water in our life? We use water for cooking, for washing clothes, cleaning utensils, for taking bath, for watering plants, for putting out fire. We need water for washing fruits and vegetables. We need water for brushing teeth. We also need water for watering fields. Then animals also need water. Some animals live in water. They are called water animal or aquatic animals. And other animals, every animals need water to drink and they need water for bath also. And water is needed for cleaning car and for cleaning everything. So water is very important. If we think to live without water, we cannot live. Plants also. You can do one experiment. You take 2 pots of plant and in one you water every day. And in second one, you don't give the water for the long time. Long time means for 15 days, 1 month. Then after 15 days, what you will see, where in which you have give water every day, that plant is green and grow. And which plant you have not watered, that will be die, that will be dry, वो सूख जाएगा. 2 पौधों को लीजिए, एक में रोज पानी डालिए और एक में बिना पानी डाल के रखिए, पानी मत डालिए. और आप देखेंगे आफ्टर 15 days 1 month दैट आफ्टर सम डेज कि जिसमें आपने रोज वाटरिंग की है, पानी डाला है, वो जो प्लांट है वो बढ़ रहा है और हरा भरा भी है. लेकिन जिसमें आपने पानी नहीं डाला है वो सूख गया है और मर भी सकता है. So this is all about the use of water. Water is very precious. Now let's study that which type of water should we drink or how we can save the water, because water is our life, so we should save it also. Let's start today's portion. We should drink pure water. We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Dirty water can make us ill. The best way to make water clean is to boil it for 15 minutes. We also filter water before use. So you can understood by this sentence that we should drink pure water. We should never drink dirty water. Because if we drink dirty water, we can get sick, we can get ill, and the germs and bacteria which are present in the water, in the dirty water, they will go inside and give us many diseases. अगर हम गंदा पानी पी लेंगे तो जो जर्म्स और बैक्टीरिया पानी में हैं वो हमें बहुत सी बीमारियां देंगी. So always we should drink clean water. If we are not getting clean water, so then we have to boil it for 15 minutes, not 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 15 minutes. Otherwise, we can filter the water also for use, for drinking. अगर हमको साफ पानी नहीं मिल रहा है तो हम उसे बॉयल कर सकते हैं for 15 minutes, at least 15 minutes, and let it cool, and then you can use for drinking. उसको ठंडा करके फिर आप पी सकते हैं, और नहीं तो आप फिल्टर भी कर सकते हैं. आजकल फिल्टर मशीन भी आ गई है तो यू कैन यूज दैट ऑल्सो. इट विल बी easy for to get the clean water. And we should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. This already I have taught you in the previous chapter about health related, that we should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. So children, if you are not drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water, you start drinking, because water cleans many things from our body. So it is very good for our physical health that we drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. Now, a person can live for a month without food, but only for a week without water. This is very important, that human being can live. If we do not get food, we can survive some days. अगर हमें खाना नहीं मिलता है तो हम कुछ दिन जिंदा रह सकते हैं. But if we do not get the water, we cannot survive for the long time. अगर हमें पानी नहीं मिलेगा तो हम ज़्यादा समय तक जिंदा नहीं रह सकते. So water is very important, very, very important. So we should not waste water, and we should save the water for to get other also. So let's read this. Rules for the staying healthy. Always drink filtered or boiled water, as I explained you here, that we should not drink dirty water. Always we should use clean water. How do we get the clean water? We can get the clean water by boiling or by filtering. Second, drinking water should be stored in clean and covered containers. What is container? A utensils, a pot in which you can store something. Okay, so if you have clean drinking water, you drink, you use, and after that rest of the water you should store in the clean and covered container. That container should be clean and covered. जिसमें आप पानी रख रहे हैं वो बर्तन भी साफ होना चाहिए और वो ढका हुआ भी होना चाहिए, so that other germs and flies cannot make it dirty, ताकि उसको दूसरे germs और मक्खियाँ या ऐसे कुछ चीजें उसको गंदी ना कर सके. Okay, Third is never waste water. Remember that water is life. You should never waste water. Sometimes children, when they do brushing, when they do brush, they just open the tap and water is wasting. But you should not do this. You should use the water and then you should turn off the tap so that water cannot be waste, because water is life. Many people now, in today's life also, many people are not getting water easily. You can know about the news, especially in summertime, people are suffering for clean water. They are not getting clean water. So we should not waste the water, because water is life. So children, this is all about our basic need, water. I hope you all have understood about all these things, that water is very precious. We should not waste water. We should use boiled or filtered water. We should store the water in the clean and covered containers. Now children, today again I am going to show you one video so that you can understand better and enjoy that. Bye.
Clean water. We must make sure that our water is clean and pure. We must drink only clean water. Water can be purified by boiling and filtering. Nowadays, water is also purified using electronic water filters. At home, water can be stored in clean vessels or clean pots. These must be covered with a clean plate or a clean cloth. A clean glass must be used for removing water from a vessel. We make the water impure by bathing, washing clothes, and throwing waste in the lakes and rivers. Impure water leads to sickness and disease. We must not waste water. Use water only when it is needed. Water used for washing vegetables or grains can be used for watering plants.